Replacing your carpet is not always the solution. Why spend thousands on new carpet when professional cleaning can restore it for only hundreds? Hidden deep inside your carpet are dust, odors, germs, bacteria, and allergens that daily vacuuming cannot remove. Over time, they affect the look of your carpet and the air inside your home. At Perfection Clean Results, our powerful, eco-friendly steam extraction cleaning reaches deep into the fibers to remove built-up dirt, eliminate bacteria, and leave your carpet fresh, clean, and renewed. The results speak for themselves. Brighter carpet, fresher smell, healthier home, and that like-new feeling again. We are proud to serve Middletown homeowners with trusted service and happy customer reviews. We also offer upholstery cleaning, sofa cleaning, and tile and grout cleaning. Special discounts are now available for the Middletown area. Call Perfection Clean Results today for your free estimate at 978-531-8002.